Last week is grabe good akong experience. I had LBM and stomach pain. On and off ang kasakit. Halos wala gyud ko'y tulog tibuok gabi. Pagabuntag, nagpa-check up ko. The doctor prescribed me cotrimazole and dicycloverine. Pero after taking them, I felt dizzy and nagka-skin allergic ko. And the stomach still pain and LBM continued. Then my friend from Lifestyles shared her experience before to take this Fiber Life. She told me in a cup with hot water, remove the shell of Fiber Life capsule and pour the powder inside. So I took 1 capsule before meal and 2 capsules after meal. After following her advice, I really felt a difference. Hinay-hinay nga na-relieve akong tiyan. The pain slowly faded and my body felt lighter and cleaner. Even my stool went back to normal. Dili na gud siya basa. So if you're also struggling with LBM or digestive discomfort, try this Fiber Life. It's natural, safe, and this is based on my own experience.